Family, what is up? So today's episode has been a highly requested video. I know you guys have been asking for this video for a while.
And I'm so excited.
And I know some of you found me initially through my YouTube ads, so my bad. But in today's episode, I will be explaining how to explode your YouTube growth with just $5 a day YouTube ads.
For real skis?
Okay, and you're talking with somebody that has spent over $2,000 just testing YouTube ads, so you guys don't have to waste your money. Okay, now I do want to put a disclaimer out there before I get into the video that it doesn't matter how much money you spend, you can follow my steps to a T. If your content is not good, if you do not already have organic growth happening on your channel, please do not watch this video because this will not help you. You cannot skip the process of being a good content creator, okay? Let me say that again. Do not skip the process by trying to pay your way into success. You have to have good content, or no matter how much you spend, nobody's gonna view your content or subscribe. So I definitely have to put that out there before you waste your money. Now, if you get value out of this video, make sure that you thumbs it up. Make sure you're subscribed if you like the content. But without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so boom, I'm gonna give you the 2 best strategies that have worked very, very well for me. Okay, now like with anything with marketing, you will have to test out what will work best for you, okay? Now the first strategy that I used was YouTube pre-roll ads with a channel trailer, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to set this up. But first, I do wanna show you the ad that I ran, and hopefully that can give you an idea of the type of ad that you wanna create for yourself. Hey, don't miss your blessing by skipping this ad. Listen, my name is Antonio Williams. I'm a YouTuber and digital marketing consultant, and I have a brand called Movements Over Barriers, and all we do is help people find their target audience and scale their businesses online. I created a YouTube channel to help people like you that are new entrepreneurs or just started a small business or has a personal brand and they want to scale their audience online. And this community is designed to help you grow today. So if you're interested, you want to join, all you have to do is click the link down below. It will take you straight to my YouTube channel. And I'm telling you, I give phenomenal tips that can change your life. I promise you, it is the best community on YouTube. So if you want to join the mob, don't wait. I promise you, you're going to be mad at yourself because you're going to find me 6 months from now. You're going to be like, dang, I should have subscribed when I saw it. Go ahead and hit the link down below. It'll take you straight to my YouTube channel. I promise there's no trickery, nothing like that. I just want to help as many people as possible this year. So I hope to see you soon. Be easy. Now, can we just give it up to God for the one time? Because your boy was out here struggling in these YouTube streets. I had the braces. I didn't have the filled in beard. Like, it was really rough out here, you guys. But in all seriousness, do you see why that ad worked? Now, it's not the greatest. It's not overproduced or anything crazy like that with any crazy edits. Literally, I had a decent hook within the first 10 seconds, right? I said, don't skip your blessings from skipping this ad, right? And that should intrigue enough people to keep watching, right? And then I started to divulge the information that I wanted to share, right? So that a decent creative paired with good targeting can work. So figure out a way to engage your target audience with something that they would be interested in within the first 5 to 10 seconds, or at bare minimum 30 seconds. But your creative is very, very important to get people to click through and sign up to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So y'all know the vibes. Your boy got his handy dandy laptop. So now I'm gonna show you how to actually set up the ad. Now, for time's sake, I'm not gonna show you how to set up your Google ad account. It is fairly simple. All you have to do is go to googleads.com, put in your Gmail account, put in your billing information, and a lot of times they do have ad credits. So normally they give you like $150 back for your first $150 spent. So pretty much you get a free $150 when you first sign up with Google Ads. But as you see here, your account should look very similar to this, okay? And I'm gonna show you the things that you need to know. Just, you know, if you need to rewind it, because I am going to go pretty quickly. But a lot of this stuff is not really going to matter because I'm going to show you the best way to run this ad regardless. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, it says new campaign. You want to hit that. And then you're just going to want to hit create campaign without any goal guidance. Some of this stuff is good when you're trying to run different type of ads, but for YouTube ads, you just want to do create campaign without any goal guidance. Okay, click that. Then you are going to want to hit video. And then again, you're going to want to do custom video campaign. Then hit continue. Now you can name this campaign. I'm just gonna say tutorial, just for you know, the video. So UT ad tutorial. Okay, boom. And then after that, you're gonna want to do maximum cost per view. Want to keep that, and then you want to go to daily. Okay, and then you want to do $5 a day. Right now, you can select an end date if you want to, but if you want to just set your spend for $5 a day indefinitely, just make sure that you don't set it and forget it, because Google will bill you. So if you forget, that's your bad. They're still going to bill you. So if you know you have a select date, go ahead and put it in right now, because I personally forgot before. And so you definitely want to hit an end date, because you can easily forget, and that's a real headache. Okay. Now with your targeting, I will say just stick to the country that you're in. But if you want to get a little bit more advanced, the big 5 is always good as well. So if you don't know what the big 5 is in e-commerce, which is UK, United States, New Zealand, Canada, what is it? I think that's, how many did I tell you? There's another one, I can't remember right now. But for the sake, again, of this video, just do the country that you're in. That's totally fine to start. Next, since I'm in the United States, we're gonna stick with English. Now, what you wanna do is change this to expanded inventory, okay? Like, you don't wanna discriminate, okay? Expanded territory is perfectly fine. So expanded inventory is really good. Just gives you more options, okay? Then this, you want to exclude live streams. You don't want live streams. You don't want embedded videos, okay? Everything else you can leave by itself. You don't have to mess with that. And then you want to name your ad group. And I'm gonna name it YouTube ad group. And you can add additional ad groups if you want, but for this, we're just gonna keep it very simple. We're just gonna do one ad group, okay? And then you can change your demographics. Now, this you can leave if you want. You can change it if you want. It's entirely up to you. If you know you have a very dominant female audience, then you might want to change this. If you know your demographic is only 18 to about 34, then you definitely want to remove that. So this is all going to be determined on your target audience, but if you're just starting out, just leave this blank, you know, so you have the most chance to reach the most amount of people. And a good thing that you want to keep your eye on is your impressions, okay? You want to make sure that you have enough impressions so you don't have a very high bid cost, and we'll get into that in a second as well. Then second, you want to leave your audience alone. You don't want to mess with this. You don't want to mess with keywords. You don't want to mess with topics. I'm going to tell you why, okay? Because what you want to use is placements, and you want to place it on prominent YouTube channels. I found this to work the best, you guys. I've tried targeting using topics. I tried targeting using keywords, but nothing has worked as well for me as targeting YouTube channels. So for me, I'm in the YouTube space, so I would target Think Media. See if they pop up. Boom, they're a podcast, right? I would target video influencers. boom, right? And other people in the YouTube niche, right? Those are the channels that I would target. Now, I wouldn't target more than 3 in the same ad group, okay? And you can add additional ad groups if you want. You can even do 1 ad group per YouTube channel, but just to keep it simple, I would do 3. And you want to make sure that they're large enough so you have enough impressions. If the YouTube channel is too small, you're probably not going to do very well because they don't have a big audience for you to show your ads to. But you want to make sure that you do your research and you want to figure out what YouTube channels closely relate to your niche. And for me, you know, channels like Think Media, Gary V, Vanessa Lau, Aaron on Demand, like all these channels are within my niche. Catherine Manning, right? So you want to target those type of YouTube channels. And then once you test, you want to figure out what YouTube channels are driving the most traffic and people are responding the most to. And then you can turn off which channel is not working in the future. And then after that, your maximum cost per view bid, I wouldn't do anything more than 5 cents, right? I think 5 cents is a good budget. Again, you can play with it, but typically I keep it at 5 cents. Now you do want to upload your URL, your video, your ad to YouTube, and then you just place the URL. Let me go and find it. All right, so once you have the ad placed, you do want to make sure that it's unlisted on your YouTube channel. You just place the URL right here, and then you want to select skippable in-stream ad. And then here for your final URL destination, you want to put your YouTube channel, okay? You want to put your YouTube channel for both. Then if you want to put a call to action, you can. You type in your headline, right? If not, you don't have to, but you want to make sure that you put in your final URL destination, and that is it. And then it's going to show you how many impressions that you'll get. You should be getting per day with your view strategy. You should be getting anywhere between 1,000 to 2,000 views a day, right? And I found that this has worked very, very well for me. So that's the first strategy. Now, the second strategy that I want to tell you about is using the video discovery ad and just re-uploading and unlisting your best video that has gotten you the most subscribers on your channel. And I'm going to show you how to find that video. So literally all you have to do is go into your analytics, hit see more. It's going to pop up view by video. And then you're going to hit select secondary metric, which is subscribers. Then you want to make sure that you click lifetime, and then you want to make sure that you drop down subscribers. So for me, the video that has gotten me the most subscribers with the least amount of views, right, is my how to market your clothing brand video for 10K. So if I really wanted to grow my channel, I would take this video, right, re-upload it unlisted so I don't affect the organic growth of the video, right? And then I would do the same setup that I showed you before, right? The same targeting, but then hit video discovery ad. And instead of showing you this video, the Join the Mob Today video, which is my trailer, I would use my how to market for 10K video instead, right? And the power of that is that people that are searching for that content will still find it, but you get so much more views, so much more engagement on that video, and you should start to bring in subscribers. And then the people that watch the full video, they would want to watch more of your content. Now, these are the 2 best YouTube ad strategies that have worked best for me. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you tried running YouTube ads? Have you had any success? If you like the video, make sure that you check out some of the videos over here. Until next time, be easy.